In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to affix a timer for reading in WordPress easily. With this guide, we're going to walk through a quick and efficient way to add a time to read feature to your WordPress site, helping your readers know how much time they should set aside for your content. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, you'll need to do so by clicking on the login button. This can typically be found somewhere near the top right of the page. Once you're there, instead of manually typing in your credentials, you can streamline the process by clicking on Continue with Google. This is a handy shortcut that uses your Google account to log you in quickly and securely. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you use with WordPress. If it's already linked, it's usually shown up front for ease of access. Simply select your account from the list and you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Once you find yourself on the home page of your WordPress area, take a look at the right panel. Here, under the quick links, there's an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that and you'll be brought to the site editor interface where all the magic happens. Now, with the editor open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There you should see an Add button, which allows you to introduce new elements to your site. Give this a click and a drop down or a menu of different types of blocks you can add should appear. In the search box that pops up or from the list of options, you're going to type in time to read. This feature is part of various plugins and themes, enabling integration depending on your setup. As you type, suggestions will appear and you will need to select the option labeled time to read once it pops up. Selecting time to read will automatically insert this feature onto whichever page or post you're editing. This block will typically estimate the time necessary for a reader to finish the content on that particular page, which can be a very useful tool for content-heavy posts. By providing this small yet significant estimate, you enhance usability and set clearer expectations for your audience, making their reading experience smoother and more enjoyable. And there you have it, a simple, fuss-free way to add a reading timer to your WordPress site. It's a tiny enhancement that can make a significant difference in how your content is consumed and perceived by your audience. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more quick tips and WordPress tutorials.